What's up everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about the upcoming iPhone 14 lineup. We will also talk about its camera, display, RAM, storage, price and the release date as well. Before proceeding this video, I want to announce that I am giving away Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you want to win that, then do subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video as well. As rumors about the upcoming iPhone 14 series are coming again and again. The iPhone 14 launch is still months away, but the rumor about the phone had started appearing even before the iPhone 13 was launched. According to recent report, the entire iPhone 14 lineup will feature a high refresh rate of 120Hz and all the iPhone 14 models will also feature ProMotion displays. The iPhone 14 models including the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will feature a 120Hz ProMotion display. It is also reported that the iPhone 14 Pro models would be equipped with 8GB of RAM, whereas the base models will come with 6GB of RAM. However, a supply chain could affect the production of 8GB of RAM. So there are possibilities that Apple would stick to the 6GB of RAM for all models. Previously, a report claimed that the iPhone 14 Pro models would come with the 48MP camera instead of the 12MP sensors. The iPhone 13 lineup currently comes with 12MP camera sensors. It was also revealed that the iPhone 14 Pro models will start with 256GB of storage. Now let's talk about the release date and the screen sizes. Apple is expected to launch the 4 new iPhone models in September. This year the iPhones will come in different sizes including a 6.1-inch iPhone 14, 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max and 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 is expected to be powered by Apple's next generation A16 Bionic chipset. Some reports also suggest that the processor is based on a 4nm manufacturing process, while some reports have suggested that it will be based on a 3nm manufacturing process. Moreover, when we talk about the pricing of this lineup, the iPhone 14 will be available at $799. The iPhone 14 Max will be available at $899. The price of the iPhone 14 Pro will be $1,099 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available at $1,199. Of course, let me know what do you think down in the comments and do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.